Good morning, guys. Welcome back for another video on crypto news. Today I'll be dissecting a few more news articles for you guys and separating the fuzz from the real articles that are quite good, quite funny. A funny article to start off with is Sardinecoin real? Well, the sardines are, at least. Now, this is an article on CoinDesk, quite funny, asking if Sardinecoin is a real thing. And the article goes, "It smelled fishy from the start. On Wednesday, My Sardines, a Luxembourg-based company, announced its intention to launch a cryptocurrency backed by, are you sitting, vintage sardines. Word of unconventional initial coin offering, prompting and then blah blah blah, saying that they've got the sardines to back it up and it's an investment that's really safe," said co-founder and CEO Charlotte Ripetti. "There's no speculation, we have the stock of sardines and then we're going to create the coin based on the stock." Anyway, I'm not going to read the whole article, it's just quite funny because like 2-3 years ago, it looks like there's new ICOs popping up everywhere again and Sardinecoin, please. I mean, this could be, maybe this video, I'm jinxing it and it could be really good in the future, but I think it's just stupid. It's just one of those another money grabs and then they're off again. So anyway, do your own research as always on all the financial advice, but I just thought this article was really funny. Now, next article I've got for you is a crypto derivatives exchange leaves Europe for Panama, expanding KYC. So Europe, as you might know, and I've got a few articles later on, trying to regulate cryptocurrencies. Now, with regulation comes, laws, and by law, they want to know what you're doing. That's quite logical, really, if you think about it. But anyway, this article is saying that crypto derivatives exchange Deribit is leaving the European Union for Panama to avoid new AML rules while changing its Know Your Customer requirements. So they just don't want to go and lose customers. To say it in an easy way, they don't want to know your customer requirements, and they're leaving the Europe and they're going to Panama, where all this won't be needed. Because probably they know most of their customers wants to stay anonymous, and they just want to, they don't want to do the KYC and they don't want to follow the new European laws that will be coming, and they're running before the laws hit them. Okay, now an article on Bitcoin by an analyst, Alex Kruger. Now, these analysts you always have to take with a grain of salt because they're just drawing lines and they know as much as we do, to be honest, because sometimes lines can be drawn and then it just shoots up without any fundamentals. So anyway, he's saying that the Bitcoin halving is definitely not priced in. Why is this? Because it's too far in advance, and he says the run up to the halving will be key. Discussing if Bitcoin halving is priced in or not a full 5 months before the halving takes place makes no sense. The date is too far off for the market to have any clarity about it. If price experiences a significant bull run and then blah about prices and this and that. But for him, he says it's not priced in because we're too far ahead, and probably after the halving, we will all be able to see what the miners are doing. Are they going to keep going or are they going to shut down? Every 4 years, if you don't know, there's a Bitcoin halving, and it's made designed to slow the pace of new Bitcoin entering the market, and then this is going to go on until the total market supply of 21 million coins is reached, and they say this is going to be by the year 21,040, so we'll be long gone probably. So next article. Now, this is an article on Cointelegraph saying bugs are found in compiler for readable Ethereum smart contracts. the Ethereum team downplays concerns. Now, I'm not going to start fudding anything about Ethereum, but they've been working on a project called Viper, and there's said to be concerns because of bugs, and it's not working properly. Now, I'm wanting to mention this article so you know I'm giving you even bad news, but like, until this is confirmed by more places than just Cointelegraph, always take with a grain of salt. Yeah, but at least they're working on a project, and if bugs are found, they can fix bugs, and you can move on from there. So yeah. Now, two last articles for this video. I know I'm going over them quite fast, but for me, these articles are news, but they're not really like big major talking points. But the two last articles I've got for you, for me, are great talking points, and they correlate together. The first one is on the Daily Hodl. We've got US Securities and Exchange Commission Compliance Office lists digital assets as top priority for 2020. Now, I said this in a few videos before, that the SEC are trying to make rules, make laws about digital assets. Okay, regulation brings laws, and you might have to do KYC, but I mean, legalizing it all is going to bring up and bring in major investors, because they'll feel that it's safe, they'll feel that it's legal, and they'll be able to put their money in without being concerned they're doing something illegal. That's a whole article on that on the Daily Hodl. And then on Cointelegraph we've got ECB, so European Central Bank President pushes for a central bank digital currency. Now, we all know the new ECB president used to be Mario Draghi. It's changed now. It's a woman. It's Christine Lagarde. And for XRP holders out there, shout out to you guys. Most of you know who Christine is. We call her Crypto Mum because she's really into cryptocurrencies and to blockchain technology, and she's had nice sit-downs with Big Brad Garlinghouse. Yeah, so the European Union want regulation as well, and we'll see. I'm 99% certain Europe and United States are like gonna come out in the space of a week with regulations. Gonna be all in the same week, and prices are gonna go crazy. I don't know if they're gonna go up crazy. I don't know if they're gonna go down crazy, but something's gonna trigger something, and I'm leaning more toward the bullish pattern of there are going to be regulations, but there's going to be good news because you're going to be allowed to hold them and all this and that. So, and Christine Lagarde, she's pushing for a central bank digital currency. Is she talking about XRP? Us XRP holders, we'd like to believe so, but I can't tell you with 100% certainty, so I won't. But she doesn't want them to act as observers for a changing world, and she's a very smart lady, because people that, or countries that don't follow the mainstream and don't go with blockchain technology will eventually be left behind. So yeah, guys, this was a short video, just running over a few news articles, the most important news articles of 9 and 10 January. I'll be back with another video tomorrow evening, see if anything's changed, anything special has happened. Tomorrow's Friday, so a nice video before the weekend. And if you like the content, like, subscribe to my channel, and leave your XRP address down below. Everybody who subscribes gets a tip, don't forget. So yeah, thanks for listening, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cryptorado out.